For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to downsizing. Think of real estate decluttering, estate or garage sales, and donations. From a real estate perspective, when we're downsizing, we're typically looking to move into a smaller space and then do something with the stuff that we no longer are going to be utilizing. So we're moving into a smaller home, a condo, apartment, senior living community. And it often becomes overwhelming and it prolongs the move. It's easier to do nothing than do something that we know that would probably be in our best interest and probably give us a better quality of life. So when it comes to decluttering, we're talking about deciding what you can live without. What are the essentials? What do you need? And then otherwise, if I can live without them, then I need to do something with them. So we're liquidating what we don't need. So we're donating it, we're giving to family members, we're giving it to neighbors, we're doing estate sales, garage sales, auctions, and then whatever's left, we're disposing it. An experienced senior real estate agent has the resources and will coordinate all of this at no charge and will not profit from this either. I spend a tremendous amount of time working with folks, helping them with this process. I'm dealing with one right now that's been 2 estate sales, online estate sales, now disposal. Now we're preparing the house to sell. It's a long process, but it's a process that makes a lot of sense because what we're trying to do in the downsizing process is sell the house for as much as possible and also net our folks as much as possible. And that may be through an estate sale that may cover the cost of any disposal of property that we need to take care of. So it's a process, and it's one that I enjoy and our clients appreciate tremendously. Check out the seniorlearninginstitute.com website on the resource and video pages for more on the topic. And then also go to the library. The library has some printed material on the topic as well. You can always give us a call at 314-400-8102, 314-400-8102, and we'll be happy to connect you to the resources that you need. And these are trusted resources that we've been using for years and you can feel confident in. And again, always these services are free of charge, nor do we accept referral fees at the Senior Learning Institute. So for the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Thanks again for watching.